Okay, check it out. Now, we've got, I'm just going to draw my zones in here real quickly so that everything's set up for this so I can look at targets. Oh my goodness, this is probably the coolest looking chart I've seen in a long time. Oh, that's awesome. Yep. Okay, so we have a bearish big shadow right here. Not only did the bearish big shadow take out the last candle, it took out like one, two, well, it didn't take out this one. It took out the last three candles. It's already traded lower and it's on top of support here, so it may bounce a little bit. And that's fine. To me, this is a great setup. In some ways, much better than the Pound Aussie. And what would I do is, in terms of targets? It probably makes sense to watch it when it gets to this level right here. In fact, I probably should have drawn a level here. Just I want to make sure it captures these touches right over here. Yeah. Oh, wow. That's a great looking chart. I would basically sell it right now, I think. And I've got 57.65 and then 57.13. The 57.13 is about a 1-to-1 trade for a stop above the bearish big shadow. However, if it retraces back up here and starts getting up to, say, 50, 58, 55, I probably would dump it if it gets to 58.60 anyway. It may have to double top too. It may actually come back up and make a weak double top and then fall. That's a definite possibility. But in terms of big shadow setups, that's a pretty good one. I would say it's slightly. I would say it's slightly better than the Aussie. Yeah, it's the same sort of deal though. It's the same sort of deal. The reason why I like it a little bit better is because look at how the Pound Aussie has made a new high here. See how the Pound Aussie's made a new high here compared to the local high over here, and the Pound CAD hasn't. The Pound CAD has just equal highs, so it's actually a weaker currency and it's a better currency to pair to sell. That's the only reason why I say it's a little bit better. To me, it's a little bit better than the Pound Aussie. Okay, we're back, and the two pairs that we were looking at yesterday were the Pound Aussie with the 4-hour candle here. And the Pound Aussie never really blasted through 52.40. Could have been a profit target, but it would have been a really short, quick profit. At this stage, moving the stop loss to break even, whether the sell was at 52.70 or 52.83, is going to result in a break even result. And it hasn't quite moved down to 51.80 yet. However, so that one's probably a break even result. Some people may have taken a quick profit. It did get as low as 52.18 down here. But the Pound CAD, which was the star of the show, obviously the Pound CAD made it all the way down here to 57.60. That first level, and then it looks like it's going to make a run to 57.15 as well. At this stage, moving the stop loss to break even would be a great idea because that way the trade won't turn into a loser, and it's quite likely actually that it'll take out 57.15, 57.20 area as a profit target as well. So that one ended up being much better than the Pound Aussie, just as we talked about during the webinar. And again, you can see it in the pair where this was a double top formation, and the Pound Aussie actually had been up slightly, and it actually made a higher high when it gave us the signal here. So that's why it was a slightly better setup. I wish you happy trading, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.